Hello, smart movers. I'm Siam Pasarly. Today I'm very happy. We have received lots of compliments and love for our videos. That's why I'm going to share another wonderful video. This video is game-changing video. I love this video and I recommend to watch this video till end. Yes, you did it right. UNDP 181 free courses and certifications in Sustainable Development Goals. What do I mean by Sustainable Development Goals? The Sustainable Development Goals, or SDGs, are a set of 17 goals that were adopted by all United Nations member states in 2015. They provide a shared blueprint for peace and prosperity for people and the planet, the whole planet, up to 2030. The 17 goals are: no poverty, zero hunger, good health and well-being, quality education, gender equality, clean water and sanitation, affordable and clean energy, decent work and economic growth, industry innovation and infrastructure, reduce inequalities, sustainable cities and communities. I love this topic. Responsible consumption and production. I always love consumption and production. Climate action. Life below water. They also think about all those creatures under the water. Life on land. Peace, justice, and strong institutions. Partnerships for the goals are the last one. These are the 17 goals made or created by the United Nations for the whole world up to 2030. All countries, which are 194 countries, they are obligated to implement these 17 goals in their countries. The Sustainable Development Goals are a universal call to action to end poverty, protect the planet, and ensure all people enjoy peace and prosperity. They are a roadmap for a better future for all. Smart movers, now you have the opportunity to get free certification. It will help you get jobs in the United Nations, all organizations, governments, and other international organizations. What does UNDP Learning for Nature offer? They provide an extensive portfolio of e-learning offering to fit your busy schedule. Again, fit your busy schedule. Their learning opportunities offered in multiple languages. Again, in multiple languages. UNDP Learning for Nature offers a wide range of e-learning opportunities, including you can start at any time. Free access to MOOCs. MOOCs mean massive open online courses. Self-paced modules, micro courses, webinars, virtual events, podcasts, and Google Earth stories. Customized space for online events, courses, and summits. 4 to 6 weeks must be completed within a specific time frame. All the courses are between 4 to 6 weeks. Certification upon completion. You will get certificates at the end of each course. Remember, you will not get certificate when you are attending the webinars, but you will get certificates when you complete the courses and also participating in their specific conferences and summits. How to use UNDP Learning for Nature? Please follow the below steps. These are the most important steps. First, open this website. Second, click on the register. Third, create an account and provide your basic information. You will get a notification in your email. Please open your email, click on the link and verify. Fourth, when you created an account, then sign in. Fifth, when you sign in, you can access these courses. Six, roll down and see all the courses. 7, click on the explore more courses. This is important. Click on this explore more courses to access or to see all the courses. Remember, these organizations partner to provide sustainable development free courses. We need to be thankful of these organizations. Here are some of the courses that are currently available. I love this topic, Islamic finance for the sustainable development goals. I'm going to select this topic, Islamic finance for sustainable development goals. Click on find out more. These are partners for this course. Course type, massive open online course. Language, you can see English. Estimated effort, 3 to 4 hours per module. Duration, 5 modules. These are partner organizations. These are contributors. You can also contact the course coordinator or meet the instructors. You can also see the course outline here. See, these are the outline. If you like this topic, click on enroll. It also shows what this course includes. 5 modules, 32 activities, 4 quizzes, course certification at the end. You can get certification. It is free. If you want to explore another course, go back. From here, click on the next. I love this topic, Green Entrepreneurship 2021. This course created in 2021. Click on it. You can see the details. Of course, duration is 6 weeks. Estimated effort is 3 hours per module. Language, it is an English language. Requirement, you only need to have internet connection. You can also see what the course includes: 6 modules, 6 quizzes, and course certificates. Click on enroll and then start the course. Benjamin Franklin says, learning is the beginning of wealth. Again, learning is the beginning of wealth. I love this quote. And here is another quote. Malala Yousafzai says, investing in education is investing in the future. I totally agree. Investing in education is investing in your future. I say invest in yourself. The best investment is investing in yourself. I hope this video has given you a better understanding of UNDP Learning for Nature. If you are interested in learning more about sustainable development goals or finding the free courses that is right for you, I encourage you to check out the website. You can also contact the organization using this email, info@learningfornature.org. Thanks for watching. If you find this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more content like this. Smart movers, I have many other free courses videos in my YouTube channel. Go there, explore it, watch it, and share with your friends and family members. I recommend watch these videos again and again. Download it, put it in your phone, and save it for later. I'm sure these are helpful for you. You can use it.